In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back in my world class. Today I am here with a new topic which is about animals. And in this topic, first we will read about wild animals. What do you think, students? Why these animals are called wild animals? Because they are wild. Wild means they have no sense. If we will go near to them, they can be harmful for us. Dear students, wild animals finds its own foods, shelter, water and all its of their needs. Wild animals have an aggressive nature and also have a strong body than the normal animals. जंगली जानवर आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. इनको जंगली क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि एक्चुअली ये जंगली ही होते हैं. ये जंगल में रहते हैं, इनको कोई सेंस नहीं होता. अगर हम इनके करीब जाएं, इनको छेड़ें तो ये हमारे लिए नुकसान का बायस भी हो सकते हैं. ये जानवर अपना खाना खुद तलाश करते हैं, अपने लिए रहने की जगह खुद ढूंढते हैं, अपने लिए पानी और ज़रूरत की दूसरी चीज़ें खुद ढूंढते हैं. इन जानवरों का बिहेवियर बहुत एग्रेसिव होता है, गुस्से वाला होता है और इनकी बॉडी आम नॉर्मल जानवर से ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होती हैं. Now, as you can see, here we have some wild animals on this page. The first one, here we have, as you can see, monkey, zebra, giraffe, elephant, ostrich, wolf, snake, lion, fox. They all are wild animals. They live in jungle. They have an aggressive behavior. They can be harmful for us. Now on this page, as you can see, here we have some farm animals. What are the farm animals? Farm animals have been controlled by the humans. Their breeding is controlled, where they live is controlled, what they eat is controlled. They can be used for human benefits like dairy, poultry, farming, meat, and they have sober and better behavior. Okay? फार्म एनिमल्स क्या होते हैं? फार्म एनिमल्स वो होते हैं जो कि इंसानों के कंट्रोल में होते हैं. हम उनकी ब्रीड को, उनके बढ़ने को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. जहाँ वो रहते हैं वो इंसान डिसाइड करते हैं जगह. उस जगह को फार्म कहते हैं. जो खाते हैं वो भी इंसान उनको देते हैं. वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि उन्होंने ग्रेन खाना है, मीन्स बाजरा खाना है या कुछ और ये जो फार्म एनिमल्स होते हैं ये हमारे लिए फ़ायदेमंद भी हो सकते हैं. लाइक डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, अंडे, दूध और गोश्त, वो सब हमें अपने फार्म एनिमल्स से मिलता है. इनका बिहेवियर बहुत पोलाइट और अच्छा होता है. In the place where they live, that is called farm. And as you can see, here we have some farm animals. First one is cow, hen, sheep, goat, dog, cat, duck, horse, donkey. These all are farm animals. They have been controlled by humans. On this page, as you can see, here we have some pictures, some animals and their foods. And the first one, here we have giraffe. As you can see, giraffe like to eat leaf. Giraffe likes to eat leaf. Cat likes to drink milk. Monkey likes to eat bananas. Lion likes to eat meat. Chick likes to eat grain or corn. Dog likes to eat dog food or bones. Cow likes to eat grass. Good. Now here we have one more activity. As you can see, here we have some pictures and here we have some food. First one, we have a picture of chick. What do you think, students? What does chick eat? Chick likes to eat corn, grain or leaf. Yes, chick likes to eat corn or grain. Second one, here we have a picture of cow. What do you think? What does cow eat? Yes, cow likes to eat grass. Sketch a line from the cow to the grass. Now third one, here we have a picture of giraffe. What do you think, students? What does giraffe eat? Yes, giraffe likes to eat leaves. Sketch a line from the giraffe to the leaf. Good. Now the last picture is of lion. What do you think, student? What does lion likes to eat? Yes, lion likes to eat meat. So we should sketch a line from the lion to the meat like this. Good. Now as homework, here we have a task. You have to do colors in the farm animals. Just you have to do colors in the farm animals, not to do colors in the वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. ओके, आपको इस पेज में सिर्फ फार्म एनिमल्स में कलर करना है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स में कलर नहीं करना. And here we have our second page as homework. As you can see on this page, you have to do color just in the wild animals, not to do colors in the farm animals. इस पेज पे आपको सिर्फ जंगली जानवरों में कलर करना है, farm animals में कलर नहीं करना. I hope you understand everything and you enjoy the lecture. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.